Here we have another unboxing video of the Galaxy S26 Ultra, and this time it's the black color variant, shared by tipster Phonenurd. Meanwhile, another tipster, KaroulSahil, who recently uploaded a full review video of the real Galaxy S26 Ultra, has now shared a new post. In this post, he shows what appears to be a large stock of Galaxy S26 Ultra units available even before the official launch. He also mentioned that sellers in Dubai are operating on a different level. According to him, Latin market stock has already arrived, and the pricing is reportedly lower than expected. He has uploaded a full review video on YouTube, and yes, this is the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra before its official launch. So let's break it down. This isn't just leaked renders or promotional material. It's an actual device shown in detail, powered on, explored, and reviewed before Samsung has officially announced it. Starting with the design, the Galaxy S26 Ultra keeps Samsung's premium Ultra identity intact. The frame looks refined, the edges appear slightly more polished, and the overall build gives that typical flagship feel. The camera module still carries that bold, separated lens look, but the finishing seems cleaner and more precise compared to the previous generation. One of the biggest highlights shown in the video is the new privacy display feature. From certain side angles, the screen appears darker or harder to view, which suggests Samsung may be introducing built-in privacy filtering technology. If this feature works as shown, it could be a major upgrade for users who care about on-screen privacy in public spaces. Performance is another key talking point. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to run on the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, customized for Samsung's flagship devices. Early impressions from the video suggest smooth navigation and fast responsiveness, although full benchmark testing will only be confirmed after launch. The camera system continues to be a major focus. The device is rumored to feature a 200-megapixel main sensor, alongside upgraded ultra-wide and telephoto lenses. While the early review does not provide deep camera comparisons, it clearly emphasizes Samsung's push toward enhanced detail and improved low-light performance. Another interesting detail surrounding the S26 Ultra is Samsung's marketing approach. Some promotional teasers related to camera performance were reportedly created with AI assistance, which has raised questions about how much of the showcased footage reflects real-world camera output. On the software side, the phone is likely to ship with the latest version of Android combined with Samsung's updated One UI and Galaxy AI features. Overall, this early full review gives us a clearer look at what the Galaxy S26 Ultra might bring before Samsung officially unveils it. Finally, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is officially out in the open, and we have now seen the first real unboxing. The long wait has come to an end. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra has been unboxed, giving us the first real-world view of the device before the major launch coverage begins. An ex-user named Sahil shared several posts confirming that he already has the Galaxy S26 Ultra in hand. In his first post, he stated that he received the device in Dubai. The image clearly shows the retail packaging of the Galaxy S26 Ultra. In his second post, he shared two more photos of the device placed next to the box, offering a closer look at the packaging and overall presentation. In his third post, he mentioned, "Time to say bye-bye to my Samsung S25 Ultra, officially switching to the new model." That same post also displays the Galaxy S26 Ultra setup screen, confirming that the device is fully operational. Soon after, he shared what appears to be the first proper official look, including images of the phone in hand and even a selfie taken with it. He also uploaded a screenshot confirming the device color as white, along with model description details, the model number, and other specifications. In addition, he posted a video showing how the new privacy display functions on the Galaxy S26 Ultra, demonstrating its real-life performance. In another short clip, he confirmed a key detail. The S Pen on the Galaxy S26 Ultra does not include Bluetooth support this time. He further shared a side-by-side comparison featuring the Galaxy S26 Ultra, the iPhone 17 Pro Max, the Vivo X300 Pro, and the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, giving a clearer view of the differences in size and design. That concludes this update. A leaker on X has shared a collection of promotional posters highlighting the Samsung Galaxy S26 lineup. These posters also showcase the Galaxy Buds 4 and reveal several specifications and features of the Galaxy S26 Ultra. The images were posted by an X user operating under the handle at YA-Sking12767. The first poster presents the standard Galaxy S26 model alongside the Galaxy Buds 4. The following image in the series displays both the front and back of the Galaxy S26 Ultra. The device appears slightly taller and wider than its predecessor, while also being slimmer. The Galaxy Buds 4 Pro are featured next to the phone. Although the battery capacity remains at 5,000 mAh, wired charging is expected to increase to 60 watt, up from 45 watt. Wireless charging may also receive a modest upgrade. Compared to last year's 15 watt to 20 watt wireless charging speeds, the Galaxy S26 Ultra could support up to 25 watt with Key 2 technology. Another poster reveals the camera configuration of the Galaxy S26 Ultra. It includes a 12-megapixel front-facing camera, a 200-megapixel main sensor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom, and a 10-megapixel telephoto camera offering 3x optical zoom. Reports suggest that Samsung has widened the aperture of the periscope telephoto lens this year to enhance low-light photography. A separate promotional image highlights the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor. The upgraded neural processing unit improves AI performance by 39% on the Galaxy S26 Ultra compared to last year's model. The graphics processing unit delivers a 24% boost in graphical performance, while the central processing unit processes data 19% faster than the Galaxy S25 Ultra. The same poster also emphasizes the 5,000 mAh battery, which is claimed to deliver up to 31 hours of video playback. The device can reach 75% charge in just 30 minutes, supported by the upgraded 60-watt wired charging. One of the posters introduces the new privacy display feature on the Galaxy S26 Ultra. This function helps prevent others from viewing notifications and messages by limiting screen visibility from side angles while the user is actively viewing the display. Another promotional image centers on the Photo Assist feature, a collection of generative AI tools integrated into the gallery application. The example shown demonstrates how a simple photo of a dog can be transformed using AI into a birthday celebration scene, complete with a party hat, wall decorations, balloons, and gifts around the pet. The Samsung Galaxy S26 series, along with the Galaxy Buds 4 and Galaxy Buds 4 Pro, is expected to be officially introduced on February 25th at 1 p.m. Eastern Time, which is 10 a.m. Pacific Time. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Peace out.
Welcome to Galaxy Unpacked.
With the Samsung Unpacked event only days away, a leaker on X has shared a collection of promotional posters highlighting the Samsung Galaxy S26 lineup. These posters also showcase the Galaxy Buds 4 and reveal several specifications and features of the Galaxy S26 Ultra. The images were posted by an X user operating under the handle at YA-Sking. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Peace out.